So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Notion to organize your coaching business. So for anyone that is new here, make sure to subscribe because I'm sharing videos that can help you build and scale your coaching business the easy way. And the Notion is one of those ways that I use to organize my coaching business because it can get a mess at times, and I am really not that good at organization. And then if I have things in a million of different places, it's so difficult to find them. And Notion is so good for that organization and for having everything in one place. And I will show you what you can store there. But first, I'm going to show you how to get Notion. So if you just go to Google and Google Notion, it's this little icon that has an N. And then you can go and say get Notion for free. And then you can continue with your Google. So if you have a Gmail account, you can continue with your Gmail account. If you have an Apple account, you can continue with your Apple or any other email. When you put in your Google account, it's going to get you to Notion. Then you can download it, have it on your desktop, and you can also access it online in your browser. So it's really good. I have it on my desktop and I have it on my phone. But you can also access it live on your browser online. So I'm not going to do this for now, just follow the protocol as for any kind of application that you would use. Download Notion, and then I'm going to show you now how it looks like when you have it on your desktop. So this is how my Notion looks like. So I actually have several Notions from other Gmail accounts and sharing with some other accounts. So you can also share your Notions with other people's accounts. But basically in Notion, in your account, you have here search, update, settings, and you can create a new page. You have your favorites over here where you can favor different pages. And then here are all of your pages that are in private that you can create. So basically Notion works in a way that you create a page, and let me just show you how that looks like. So you can create a new page, and then it can be, you can import things, you can use a template that they have, which I'm going to show you later. You can put a table or anything else, and I usually do empty page. And then you can name it something like new page. You can add an icon over here, which you can change here like randomly, or you can pick something to be an icon of your page. You can even add a cover. So that's some kind of an image over here that you can upload from your laptop or use an image from Unsplash or use their gallery that they have over here. And then in your new page, you can create new pages and put them in here. So this is how you can organize things. So how do I organize? I have my business over here, and then I have my private, and I have important things. And then in the favorites, I put different pages that I have that I'm currently working on. So for example, if I show you my business, I have here my overall goals for 2024, that when you click this, it opens up all of my goals. I have a new page, which is organization, where I have different things that I need to organize. And then I have this from somewhere else that I need to check what is inside and clean up. Then I have my daily organization. So these are my daily non-negotiable things that I want to do. So it's just when I start working every day, I go in here, I click, and I see what do I need to do that day. I also have some affirmations because I've started doing some affirmations for myself to improve my overall work and my inner self. Then I have my clients organized over here. So I have my clients and leads, and I have market research. So what I really recommend all of my clients do is do that market research so that you know what your ideal client is looking for and how you can help them the most, and that's done through market research. So I have that as a separate page for clients. And then I have my offers over here. I have all of my videos from YouTube and my videos from my courses that I can then access here just easily and send to my clients if they need to do something. I have some tools and materials that I collected over the years that I can share with clients as well individually. Then I have all of my offers and my prices for 2024, so I can access them here because I have different tiers of offers and different options, so I don't want to confuse myself when I'm talking to potential clients. So I have it all here together with the links I can send them. And then I have some, because I'm working more this year on building more passive income, I'm actually organizing my active and passive income over here as well so that I have everything in one place. And then my marketing, so I have my content over here, some YouTube stuff and email stuff, and then some content bits for fast access like CTAs and so on. So this is how I organize my business, and it took me some while to simplify everything and do it this way, because otherwise I like to have a lot of things, but you can steal my strategy and do the same thing for yourself. And I'll actually show you now in this new page what you can do and how you can create this all of those things. So if you click this backslash, it will open up what do you want to create, and it has so many things you can create. So you can create text, you can create a new page. So this immediately opens up a new page in here, which you can then add an icon and, you know, a new text and start a new page if you want. You can have a heading over here, so maybe heading 1, blah blah blah. So is it text or page or whatever, it always has these 6 dots over here that you can click, and then you can duplicate the section that you want, that you have selected, or you can turn it into different things. So you can turn it into other heading, you can add a color over here. So you can see now it has a color. You can change the color of the text as well. So you can do whatever you want to do. And then what I love to use is a to-do list. So you can, you know, do your to-do list. Whenever you click enter, it will create another one of that. So you can then check things off if you have your to-do list. You can even drag and things over here, and then it will come into a line. For example, if you want to do like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then have a to-do list of all of those. You can have toggle lists. So if you want to, create something, but you don't want it to take up too much space, you can then open it and start writing in here and close it. You can do the same with headings. So you can have a toggle heading. And then you can have things below that heading. You can add a PDF from your laptop, for example. So you just need to upload it. You can add an image that you can then embed and upload. You can even embed websites, so web bookmark. So you can create, if you add here the link to the page, it can create a bookmark over here that you can access. Here is everything you can actually do: a bullet list, a table, numbered list, quote, a divider. So many things you can do here, and you can also use AI, but it only has 20 AIs to use. I will not go into tables, but they are really interesting, and I might do a different video to explain how tables work over here, because you can create a table that then you can see as a board, as a gallery, as a list view, as a calendar view, timeline view. So different ways you can view any type of table you create, and this is really, really nice. And you can link different things in tables. And there are plenty of videos on YouTube as well that explain how to do this. So I'm not gonna go into it because that's a lot, because I've been researching that a lot before and it's quite a long time to explain how it works. So I'm not gonna go into it. But another fun thing you can do is you can actually go to templates. And then here you have different things that they are already set up that you can select and use that template right from the bat, so you don't have to create your own. So if you have, product, vision and strategy, so you can look around these templates. So let's say blog, editorial, calendar. So you can see here that this this template has a table, and then this table has different views. So you can view it as a table, you can view it as a calendar, which is then, if you have here a published dates, and it will show this in a calendar when it is, by content type. So you can have different, which content type it is, and then a table based on that, by status. So what is happening, is it to do, is it in progress, is it already done? So different things you can do. It's really interesting. And yeah, you can, if you go to those templates over here, you can find different ways you can start using Notion. But even if you just start by putting your notes in inside, it's already an amazing tool to use for everything that you can have in your business. So I use it also to put all the notes from courses I have. You can use it to put notes from books. You can use it if you are, searching online. You can bookmark different videos from YouTube. You can bookmark different websites and so on. Journaling even. So all of the entries. So yeah, so many things you can use in Notion. And this is basically what I wanted to show you of how I use it for my business, and how you can then have it organized over here as well, and everything accessible in one place, so you don't have to have, everything in maybe Google Docs and then searching for those Google Docs. And if you are looking for anything in Notion, you just go into search, type in the word you are looking for, and it's going to show you where that is in your Notion. So hopefully this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you would like me to create a more in-depth video of Notion, or if you would like my help with your business organization. I'm always open for connections, so make sure to reach out to me on my email or my Instagram or here, and I will be happy to chat with you. So see you in the next video. Bye.